Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Then where we stop in the last class? Are you ready for study? Yes, very good. Where we stop in the last class? Yes, we completed our fourth chapter, nouns and gender. We discussed four nouns and gender, masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Okay, today we study a new topic, new chapter, fifth possessive nouns. Okay, possessive nouns. Now all of you, first all of you take page number 16. Page number 16. Then, nouns that show, all of you listen, look at your textbook. Nouns that show ownership or possession are called possessive nouns. Nouns that show ownership or possession are called possessive nouns. Okay, here possessive nouns means ownership or possession. Ownership അല്ലെങ്കിൽ possession ആണ് നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയാ? Yes, possessive nouns. Okay, let's learn how singular nouns show possession. First, we can discuss the singular nouns possession. Okay, first, the dress of the girl. The dress of the girl. Then, how to write the girl's dress. First sentence, the girl's dress. The girl's okay, we can write like this. The dress of the girl. A girl's dress ആണെന്ന് പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ പോസസീവ് നൗൺസിൽ എഴുതുക? The girl's dress. The girl's dress. Okay, then next, the web of the spider. The web of the spider. Then how to write? How to write? Then spider's web. The spider's web. Okay, spider's web. Okay, then next, the advice of the doctor. The advice of the doctor. Then how to write? The doctor's advice. The doctor advice. Okay, then the order of the judge. The order of the judge. Then how to write? The judge's order. The judge's order. Now all of you listen here. Notice the mark. Which mark? Notice the mark. All of you listen in your textbook. Notice the mark. We call it apostrophe. We call it apostrophe. We call it apostrophe. Then it is used to show possession. It is used to show possession. ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ possession വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന apostrophe. Okay, this is the mark. Okay, this mark apostrophe to show possessions. Okay, then we change a singular noun that it does not end with yes to a possessive noun by adding the apostrophe and yes to the noun. Okay, then change singular nouns. Change into singular noun does not end with yes. It does not end with to possessive noun by adding the apostrophe and s to the noun. Okay, then remember that you must write the noun first and then add the apostrophe yes. Then remember that singular nouns, remember that you must write noun first. First എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Noun എഴുതണം. Then and then add the apostrophe and yes. Then you add the apostrophe and yes. Okay, then now read the sentence. There is some example of this. Some sentence here. Mrs. James' plants always look healthy. James. Then Para's lunch box is very colorful. Para's Lunch box is very colorful. Our school will celebrate Parents' Day next month. Then our school will celebrate Parents' Day next month. Parents. Then fourth sentence, the sound of the birds chirp is delightful. Birds. Okay, this is we change in singular nouns. Singular nouns does not with the s, to possessive noun by adding the apostrophe to the noun. Remember that you must write the noun first and then add the apostrophe and yes. Okay, then James, Paras and parents, birds here. Then we change singular or plural nouns ending with yes. Here ending with the yes. Here all words are ending with yes. James. Then ending with yes to possessive noun by adding the apostrophe after the yes. Here add the apostrophe after the yes. All the sentence listen. Add the apostrophe after the yes. Okay. Then we need to not add another yes the apostrophe. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താണ് എസ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ എസ് ഇടേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല അല്ലേ വി need not add another yes the apostrophe. Okay, then page number 17. All of you take page number 17. Now read this sentence. The oxen's yokes were heavy. The men's uniform looked elegant. When a plural noun does not end with yes, we form its possessive form by adding the apostrophe and yes to the noun. Okay, here when the plural noun does not end with yes, a plural noun does not end with yes, we form its possessive form by adding the apostrophe and s to the noun. Okay, here examples oxen and men's. Oxen and men's. Okay, so the example of that sentence. Then here when we plural noun say does not end with yes, we form its possessive form by adding the apostrophe and yes to the noun form. Okay, then all of you understand what is possessive noun? What is possessive noun? Okay, then now we can discuss the activities. Exercise. First exercise. Rewrite this group of words using the apostrophe. One has been done for you. Here first one is already done. Then the tail of the elephant. How to write in possessive nouns? Yes, here the elephant's tail. Then second, the laptop of Charu. The laptop of Charu. Then how to write in possessive noun using the apostrophe? Okay, yes, Charu's laptop. Okay, all of you write in your textbook. Charu's laptop. Okay, write down in your textbook. The laptop of Charu. Write using the apostrophe Charu's laptop. Okay, then third one. The bag belonging to Jack. The bag belonging to Jack. Jackinte bag ആണെന്ന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം നമ്മൾ? Yes, Jack's bag. Jack's bag. Okay, the next, the purse of the lady. The purse of the lady. Then how to write? Lady's purse. Lady's birds. Okay, then fifth one, the nest of the birds. The nest of the bird. How to write? Yes, bird's nest. Fifth one, birds. Birds. Birds nest. Okay, birds nest. Then sixth one. The bedroom belonged to my parents. The bedroom belonged to my parents. How to write in using the apostrophe? Yes, my parents' bedroom. My parents' bedroom. Okay, first one is how to write Charu's laptop. Then Jack's bag. Fourth, lady's purse. Then fifth, bird's nest. Here, all of you listen. Here we use apostrophes here. Then bird's nest and sixth one, my parents' bedroom. Okay, all of you finish your writing? Yes, very good. Okay, then activity B. All of you listen. Activity B. Tick the correct sentence in each pair and cross out the incorrect one. Tick the correct sentence in each pair and cross out the incorrect one. The first pair has been done for you. Okay, here you tick the correct sentence. Okay, then first Jessica's mother is science teacher and the Jessica's mother is science teacher. Which sentence is correct? Yes, second sentence here Jessica's apostrophe is apostrophe after yes. That's the correct way of writing. Okay, then second one, the baby's toy fell on the floor. The baby's toy fell on the floor. Then second one is the baby toy fell on the floor. First baby is right with the which baby is correct? Babies. Babies. In which baby is correct? Which baby is correct? Yes, this one is correct and this one is incorrect. Okay, all of you tick the first sentence and cross it the second sentence. Okay, then third sentence. The dog's collar was loose and kept slipping off. Then second, the dog's collar was loose and kept slipping off. Here, two dogs and which dog is correct? Which dog is correct? Here, yes, this one is correct because we here there is one more yes also. Then this one is correct and this one is incorrect. Okay, you tick it here. Okay. Then page number 18. All of you listen the page number 18. Page number 18. Okay. Charles' clothes were not ironed neatly. Then Charles' clothes were not ironed neatly. Okay. Then there's two Charles. Which Charles is correct? Charles' clothes were not ironed neatly. Which Charles is correct? Yes, this Charles is correct. Okay, because Charles is end with yes. This one is incorrect. Okay. Then next sentence, fifth sentence. My best friend's brother is going to the book fair today. Then here second sentence also friends. Then Okay, uh, here two friends, and which one is correct? Which sentence is correct? Which sentence is yes? First sentence is correct, and then second sentence is incorrect because here two yes. Okay, first friends is correct. Okay, then sixth one. Are you going to Shawma's birthday party in the evening? And second sentence also, are you going Shawma's birthday party in the evening? Here there is two Shawmas. Shawmas and Shawmas. Okay, which Shawmas is correct? Here, which Shawma is correct? Yes, this Shawma is correct in this one. Incorrect because okay, this one is correct and this one is incorrect. Okay, Shawma's birthday. All of you take in your textbook. Then seventh one. The students' desk were painted last month. The students, here students. Students, students. Okay, here. The students' desk were painted last month. Okay, which student is correct here? Which student is correct here? Yes, first student is correct here. The student desk were painted last month. Okay. Then our last sentence. Last sentence. Nitika's pencil box has stickers on them. Nitika's pencil box has stickers on them. Here, two Nitika's. Nitika's and okay, here two Nitika's. Which Nitika's is correct? Nitika's pencil box has stickers on them. Yes, this is incorrect and this one correct one. Yes, here only Nitika's എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ Nitika's pencil box. Okay, all of you finish your writing? Yes, very good. Then our last activity. Read this passage and fill in the blanks with the words from the box along with the apostrophe to show possession. Once has been done for you. Okay, this is for your homework. Okay, this is homework. Read this passage and filling blanks with words from the box along the apostrophe. Okay, then here some words given to box. കുറച്ച് വേർഡ്സ് ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അത് വെച്ചിട്ട് എഴുതാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത് അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എഴുതണം റീഡ് ദിസ് പാസേജ് ആൻഡ് ഫിൽ ഇൻ ദ ബ്ലാങ്ക്സ് വിത്ത് വേർഡ്സ് ഫ്രം ദ ബോക്സ് അലോങ് വിത്ത് ദ അപ്പോസ്ട്രോഫി ടു ഷോ പൊസഷൻ ഓക്കെ ദെൻ I hope all of you understand today's class. Today in this class we discuss the possessive nouns. What is possessive nouns? What is possessive nouns? Yes, possessive nouns show or possession. Show possession or ownership. Okay, that is called a possessive nouns. Then we discuss some rules of possessive nouns. Then we discuss 3 activities and 1 for your homework. Okay, I hope all of you understand what is possessive nouns. Okay, we can meet next class. Thank you.